Rent smarter with Heather Delamarter in lovely Vero Beach. Introducing a Berkshire Hathaway, Florida Realty rental property. To schedule your own tour, call 772-321-3056. Annual rental fully furnished. Bright and spacious second-story unit, 2-house condo with great location and convenience to shopping, dining, and beaches with easy access to major roads. Laundry room downstairs. Walking distance to downtown, clean and ready for occupancy. Requirements to lease are first month's rent, last month rent and security deposit each of $1,800. Good credit. A clean background check. No pets, no smoking, maximum 4 people, maximum 2 cars. Allow 2 weeks for condo approval. Second floor stairs.